Hello guys, and welcome back to JAMB tutorials. And of course, we're going to look at the syllabus for commerce. Please know that these tutorials we're going to be doing are going to be useful for not just JAMB, okay, for both WAEC, for GC, for NECO, all right, but we're focusing mainly on JAMB, all right. So please, today, this first class, we're going to be looking at the syllabus for what? For commerce. Okay, so commerce involves the art of buying and selling, all right, and so many other things. But of course, what topics should you cover as it pertains to commerce? If you do not want to fail your JAMB or you do not want to perform poorly, all right, it is very important that you finish your syllabus. Finishing the syllabus is not the main thing again. You have to practice questions, and that's where the O3 School JAMB app comes in. Okay, it is all you need to succeed in your exam. That's all the JAMB pass questions, so you don't need to go and get 4 different pass questions. Okay, for English and 3 other subjects, so that you practice. Now, I heard it's even very expensive now. One is around 1,500 naira. All right, so before you get 4, you have spent 6,000. Okay, so on this app you have all the past questions for all the subjects. Okay, then some features like the classroom feature where there are lecture notes. You can take text according to the JAMB syllabus you are going to see very soon. Likewise, it has question search feature. You can search for questions to make you get used to a particular topic. You need to answer a lot of questions on it. So once you finish a topic, you search for questions on the app. The question that JAMB has set on that topic will come up for you. You answer them. You build your confidence. What's more, we have the UTME challenge. It's a mock challenge that will conduct every week Saturday by 10 a.m. Okay, you compete with your mates, you win amazing prizes. So please do not sleep on that. Apart from winning prizes, you'll be seeing your result released after every mock challenge. So you are getting used to seeing your result, one. Then of course you are able to track your progress. So let's say in the first challenge you scored 200, the second one is scored 220, the next one is scored 250. You know that you are progressing. That's why you need this app. You must get it on your phone. All right. Then of course you need to you build your confidence towards the main exam. All right, it's very important. So the activation of the app is just 3,000 naira. After downloading, you need to activate for just 3,000 naira. To activate, click on activate after downloading. At the top, you see buy activation key. It's very obvious there. So click on buy activation key, and then of course you can see 3 options for payment. If you click on buy transfer, okay, you can use your ATM card or debit card to pay online. That one is automatic activation. But if you so choose to transfer to the O3 School app account, you need to send your receipt to this number on WhatsApp 09121515246. Okay, so either send your receipt to that number on WhatsApp, and also you can fill your depositor's name and send an SMS to us so that we'll know that you have paid. Okay, so please jump on the app. Do not play with it. Let's quickly look at the syllabus, the topics to cover in commerce. They're not really much. So the first topic here is commerce. Is commerce. Number 1 is commerce. All right, commerce. Okay, and under commerce, we are going to be looking at difference between commerce and other related subjects. I'm going to look at how to describe the characteristics of commerce and also identify the functions of commerce. All right, so that is the first topic we are considering. Then number 2, we'll look at under commerce, also look at meaning and scope, characteristics and their functions. Then of course number 2, we'll now go to to occupation. Occupation. All right. Then number 3 is production. Pretty straightforward. Then number 4, we have trade. Okay, we'll look at home trade and home trade. We'll talk about retail trade and wholesale trade. Okay, then we'll look at foreign trade. All right. Then of course number 5 is purchase and sale of goods. Number 5, purchase and sale of goods. Then number 6 is aids to trade, which include advertising, banking, communication, aids to trade. Then number 7, then we'll look at business units. Then number 8, look at financing business. Then number 9, we'll look at trade associations. Then number 10, we'll look at money. Money is the root of all evils. Then number 11, we'll look at stock exchange. Okay, Then number 12, look at elements of business management. Okay, look at elements of business management. Number 12. Then number 13, look at elements of marketing. Elements of marketing. Okay, then number 14, look at legal aspects of business. Some people never know that there are legal aspects of business. Then, of course, number 15, look at ICT, information and communication technology. Okay, number 15, information and communication technology. That is ICT. All right. Then number 16, now to look at business environment and social responsibility. Business environment and social responsibility. Okay, so these are the topics you should consider as pertains to what to commerce in JAMB. Very easy, very simple. All right, just 16 word topics. First is commerce. And of course, like I said, under commerce, I'm going to be looking at definition, meaning and scope, characteristics and functions of commerce. Then go to occupation. Under occupation, looking at meaning and importance, the types of occupation we have, factors that determine the choice of occupation. Then number 3, production. We'll look at factors, characteristics, and rewards. That like land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. They talk about division of labor and specialization. Then the types. Then number 4, we'll go to trade. We'll look at retail and wholesale, retail trade, that home trade and foreign trade. Okay, then number 5, purchase and sale of goods. Okay, we'll look at procedure and documentation, terms of trade, okay, and terms of payment. Then number 6, aids to trade. Things that aid trade, advertising, banking, communication, insurance, tourism, transportation, warehousing, and the likes. Then number 7, we'll talk about business units. We'll look at forms and features, registration of business. Okay, business measures, determination of choice of business units, dissolution and liquidation, merits and demerits. Number 8, look at financing business. We'll look at sources of finance, types of capital, calculation of forms of capital, profits, problems of sourcing finance, and the role of bureau de change in an economy. Then number 9, talk about trade associations. We'll talk about objectives and functions of trade and manufacturers association. Then number 10, talk about money. Where we say money is the root of all evil. Money is not the root of all evil. Talk about evolution, forms and qualities and functions. Talk about what stock exchange also, importance and their functions, types of securities, procedure of transactions and speculations, second tier security markets. Okay, then we'll talk about elements of business management, elements of marketing, legal aspects of business. Okay, there are legal aspects of business, and then information and communication technology, like ICT. Then look at business environment and social responsibility. Okay, so a recommended textbook here to use to study is Commerce for West Africa. Okay, Commerce for Secondary School. Okay, even Essential Commerce is very, very okay too. All right, it's not here, but I think it's very fine. All right, so you could get Commerce for West Africa, okay, by Macmillan. Commerce for West Africa by Macmillan. All right, you can check Essential Commerce also. All right, so these are the topics I'm going to study. So please make sure you stay tuned to this channel, because soon I'm going to be releasing more videos on this tutorials on each of these topics. Please stay tuned, keep sharing, liking this video, and of course, we'll see you at the top celebrating your results. Thank you for watching.